Oh shit.
Sounds good.
Dude.
That doesn't sound that bad.
Really, yeah. Dude.
We did it.
We did it.
Got another list of stuff we gotta finish. Roadworthy, but
Yeah, it's not too bad.
not bad.
Hell yeah, dude.
Oh yeah, JB welded my oil pan because it had a tiny little hairline crack. Don't give me shit for it.
Damn.
Alright.
Hey, what's up guys? We're at Sammy's place right now. We just did some work on his E30. You know, we just got it started for the first time in a while. It's running well. But today is an exciting day because we're finally gonna be picking up the drift car from my friend's shop. He did the exhaust and everything was going well and everything. I was supposed to go pick it up a few days ago, but he was having issues bleeding the clutch, which I also asked him to do. And so he tried bleeding it, but the pedal wouldn't build any pressure. And he tried swapping out the slave cylinder for it, but we think it's the master cylinder. So we went to my other friend's house, got a spare master cylinder from him, and now we're gonna go head over to my friend's shop and try to swap out the master cylinder, the clutch master cylinder, off of the drift car, and then hopefully we can drive it home. So that's the plan. I don't know.
I'm here for the ride, man.
Yeah, I need some support today because it's been so stressful, but hopefully we can take it home and we can do more videos on that. Also for the 2002, more stuff for that's gonna come soon too. Let's hope this video has a good title of me being able to drive the car for the first time. But I guess there's one good thing already, and it's that this car runs pretty well now. We had to do a valve adjustment on it, and he also had to fix a leak on the oil pan.
Simple maintenance stuff. I mean, the car's been sitting for a long time, so it had its fair share of leaks, power steering and oil. So I thought it was the oil pan gasket, and I just changed it anyways. And turns out it was a small little crack, like maybe this big, on the oil pan. So quick fix, got some JB weld and drained the oil out, patched it, let it dry overnight, and seems pretty solid now.
Dope. So he's finally going to be able to roll with us with the E30s instead of his E90, E60, E34. Look at this thing. Jeez. Oh, yeah.
My hood flew open on me, guys. Make sure you close your hoods. You do not want this to happen to you.
Look at this.
He's just like...
There she is. Oh man, looks so good. Looks so good. Just needs paint. But yeah, so we have all the stuff in here that should make the car drivable. So the clutch master cylinders. Oh, here it is. Here's the clutch master that I got from my friend's car, from his wrecked E30. Also got some coolant, all that stuff, all the tools. So we're gonna do that all right here and try to get this thing driving. Got all the tools here. We're just gonna start getting to work on this. Yeah, we're gonna try to knock this thing out. Ah yes, the sweet M50. Alright, so the first thing we got to do is get the old clutch master cylinder off. So we're going to jack up the car, take that out, take off the brake line, and then take it off from under the steering wheel. And then we have to add coolant, wire up the fan, make sure it doesn't leak, make sure the fan works, slap an intake on it, and then once that's all done, we should be able to take this home. So that's the goal. So insert time lapse, I guess, or something. Oh, dude, yeah. So the whole reason I brought it here is so we can get the exhaust done. And check it out, it looks pretty cool. I mean, it looks lame from up there, but look up from down there, but up here it looks kind of cool. I kind of gave him creative freedom, to be honest, with this exhaust, and I dig it. sensor doesn't work. That's not good. Damn. Well, gotta figure that out. Damn. Alright, let's see if it gets into gear. So now we're just bleeding it. Exhaust sounds pretty mean. Is there coolant leaking? We're not leaking! We're not leaking! Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna add more coolant. Should be good. Alright, pray I don't drop this shit. If I drop this, dumb.
No more videos.
So after a bit of time, a lot of it was kind of waiting, but the actual work wasn't too bad. We managed to wire in the fan. We just have it so every time we turn the key on, the fan just turns on. We're gonna switch that out when we get home, but this is just what we're gonna do so that we can drive home. We just added coolant, runs fine. We kind of bled it. It's not running with an O2 sensor at the moment, so we still need to figure that out, but it actually idles now, which we're surprised about. But yeah, the cluster, only the coolant works at the moment. The RPMs don't work. I don't know if the speedo works yet because we haven't tried it, but we're about to find out. We're gonna go throw the hood on here and then take this thing home. But the exhaust sounds amazing. Car idles pretty damn good right now, so I'm pretty happy. We did it.
Did it, man.
Shout out to Robert for helping out. We got the coolant temperature right there. It's straight. We're running low on gas, but maybe we should go to the gas station.
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
Here, I'm gonna turn off this and see if it still runs.
Let me turn off the headlights.
Sure, yeah. God damn. Dude, this thing's really loud.
Yeah, dude, it is pretty loud.
This one's really loud.
This one.
A Magnaflow with a resonator.
Oh shit.
Oh man, this is so sick, man. This is crazy. Alright, I think it's time to put this cap back on. Alright, time to throw the hood on and let's do it. I think it's good. Well, time to take this home and give it a better look in the garage. I'll try to film some while we drive, but I can't guarantee that because I'm gonna be so nervous. Oh, actually, do you want to go start the car for me?
Yeah, sure.
Here you
go. Battery should be good.
Ooh, try it. The charger's off, but we'll see if it works. Fans on. Oh man, it's dead. It's like a kill switch. What? Oh, that's why.
Ground's not connected.
Look at that. The ground disconnected. Alright, that's on there now. Alright. Fires right up. Damn. Holy bitch, that's loud. You want to try driving in a circle? And it moves. Oh, that's so sick. Did it?
It feels perfect.
Really?
Yeah, dude, you wanna try?
Yeah, sure.
Do it.
All right, we're gonna. Oh, starts to ride it up. All right, so we gotta take this to the gas station. We have like no gas right now. Hopefully this shit makes it. And then we got Sammy driving my BRZ. So, should be good. I'll update you guys once we get there, hopefully. Or we'll be on the side of the road. We'll see. Oh shit, car's getting a little bit hot. Just a little bit. Gotta top off the coolant once we get back. It shouldn't be too bad though. But it's running. Oh my god. Oh my god. We made it. Oh shit. Alright, now let's shut it off. Gotta move a couple cars out of the way so we can throw this in the garage. This car deserves it. She's home. Well, once it's in the garage, then I'll say that again, but look at that. All right, let's move a couple cars. Let's get this on the way. Yep, that's right. So the E30's finally back home, and it has the exhaust, has the clutch bled, cooling system's okay right now. It's actually runs a little bit too hot, but I'm gonna go fix that tomorrow. And it really needs an alignment, like really bad. Like that tires were like scrubbing a little bit whenever I was going straight, and I always wanted to steer left. But other than that, motor runs well. It's a lot louder than I thought it would be, but I can always fix that later. At least it's, you know, kind of more tolerable now. Way better than open headers. Yeah, I mean, now it's just time to clean it up. And yeah, I mean, the car's all here. And then, of course, as you saw just a little bit ago, the sweet old M50, which is so sick. It's a standard swap, but owning it is a lot different feeling. Like being able to drive it and all that stuff, and you know, say you built in all that, just makes it feel that much better. Even if it's something that a lot of people have done, it's still a very rewarding feeling. So I really recommend you guys to do M50 swaps if you guys can, or if you guys were debating on it. I think it's, so far I think it's worth it. But yeah, I mean, I think it's worth it. I haven't really pushed it to the limits yet, so I can't really say that it is totally worth the power, but I was able to do this for a pretty low price, to be honest, compared to what it costs to do other swaps. I mean, you get the E36 reliability with the motor and the nice, you know, features that has, but I mean, there's nothing wrong with M20s or M42s or all that stuff, but if you're looking for a little bit of an upgrade, I think it's nice. And there's a lot more potential with this motor if you were to go forced induction. It has a lot higher of like a power ceiling for the power that the stock motor can take. I definitely recommend it, but that's going to be it for now. Tomorrow we're going to work on the alignment and the cooling system, and just cleaning up the car overall, making sure all the wires are correctly covered, cleaning up interior, all that stuff. So that's going to go on. I think that'll be good for now. So thank you guys for watching. Sorry for the really late update on this car. I was just waiting for a bunch of things, and it was sitting for a while, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next one.